Hello, welcome back from spring break. I'm actually recording this before spring break, so it's ready for you on Monday after spring break. But anyway, I know it needs to be said. So first, I've included this screen so I can actually show you Canvas. So notice week 13 of April 13th through April 17th. So everything right here is due on Friday, April 17th. And also notice how this one is black. So that means you can't do the gray ones yet. You have to actually finish the black one and then it will open up the next one. And I have that because if you don't go in order, it may or may not get kind of confusing sometimes. So make sure you go in order and make sure the stuff makes sense to you. So I'm going to click on this first one. The video I'm making right now will go right there. And then I have linked all the assignments so you can look at those. And then this is what you're supposed to do today. This week, I mean, it's due on Friday, except for this writing lesson, deleting extra words. There won't be a grammar lesson today because you're doing 2 journal entries and this nonfiction reading assignment. And then do the do now, which is this quiz. So you click yes, I have done it. Then you click next. And then you come to this one, and it's on Violent Revolution. So it's exactly like that time management one we did, where you click on it, open it up, and then here you have it. And then you only need to do 4 journal entries. Pick one of the articles, do 4. Remember, you do the code. When I say journal entry, I don't mean like a lot of writing, just your personal response, and then tell me what you thought about it. As long as you finish it, you follow the directions, 100%. And then let's see if it will let me move on to the next one, because I have it set up where you have to submit something. Oh, good, it did. Okay, so then you have your journal entry number 2, first one of the week, 2 for this week. It's on background information where you have to come up with questions and research those questions for your book. And then journal entry number 3. This one, so journal entry number 2, you actually don't submit in that assignment. You just put it on that Google Doc, and then underneath it you put number 3, and then you turn them both in right here. So journal entry number 3 is all about narrators. Again, I have my little video explanation. And then you click next, and it will just take you to another random assignment, because this is the end of what you're supposed to do this week. Another announcement back over here. So everything that's due this week, April 13th through 17th, everything that was due on March 30th through April 3rd before spring break, and everything that was due on March 23rd through 30th, all of that, the late deadline is going to be April 24th. That's a week from this Friday, week and a half. So make sure you've got that. Also, I know it seems like there's a lot of assignments, like you look in Skyward and you're like, oh, whoa, what's all these assignments? It's because I don't have you in class anymore, so I can't just look at you and say, oh, he's paying attention. No, I have to have like physical proof that you're paying attention and doing it. So that's what these are. So you just need to go through and do them, and they're participation points basically. And then actually next week, you're going to do your first real journal entry that will actually be graded and will be worth lots of points. So let's see. Also this week, there's no feedback log component. So remember, the feedback log is this thing. Remember, this is the feedback log. And last week, you should have taken notes on your journal entry. So like my example. You should have taken notes on your journal entry based on the writing lesson. So what you need to do is just keep track of Canvas comments. If I give you feedback in Canvas, just keep track of it. This will come in handy because at the end of the unit, there's going to be this really big assignment where you have to turn in your feedback log on all your feedback and how you applied it and changed it with a little reflection. So that is coming. And But don't forget about it because there's no feedback log assignment this week, whereas the writing lesson last week was one. And that is everything for this week. Good luck. I hope you enjoyed your spring break. I love you all. You're amazing. Thanks for being patient with all this Canvas stuff. I'm learning too, for sure. And again, send me an email if you have any questions.